Hi, Suhu. Hi. Welcome to chapter 6 called Logarithms. Now, I'm purposely not doing my voice like this. I am actually drinking helium right now just to keep me in my sane mind. Oh, see? Now it goes away. I've been hooked on helium for the past 2 weeks. It's almost like a drug now. But it's fun. And I sound like a chipmunk. Alright, now that since my little rampage is over with my helium, welcome to chapter 6 about logarithms. Now, it's going to be logarithms plus plus 5, I believe, 5 word problems. So grab onto your tushy, grab some popcorn, and sit your butt down because you're about to get educated. Okay, hunty? Okay, let's go. The first one to see if I can finish this, I go. Okay, I can't finish this. It's too much. Slowly. I am so lonely. I have nobody. I am so lonely. I'm on my own. I am so lonely. I have nobody but my little doggies. But now they're asleep. Okay, time to get serious. So, logarithms is basically a way to find missing exponents. So, as you can see here, for our first problem, we have the missing exponent. Now, what this means is, how many times does 4 need to be multiplied by itself to get 8? So, then what you do is, this will become your base. This 4 right here will become your base, since it's the base of the exponent. So you'll put log 4, like a little subscript, and then 8 equals x. That's going to be in your log form. Now, since first I should point out that logs have a base of 10. As you can see here, it does not. So what we do is we put it in a log base of 10 form. I think that's what it's called. So you put your log 8 over the base. So put log 8 and then log 4 on the bottom equals x. Now why you put the logs is because then you can, why you put the logs is that on your calculator, and I just realized I needed my calculator by the last minute, just give me a moment. Okay, on your calculator, you have something called log. It's like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has log on it. So go on your calculator, look for log, and then hit log, and it's going to be log parentheses. You first put the 8 in, and you close parentheses. Make sure you close it or else it won't work. Then you hit the dividing sign, and then you hit log again for your log 4. Type in the 4, close the parentheses. You got your little equation. You press equal, and it gives you your x will equal 1.5. That is your missing exponent. Pretty simple, down to the point. So let's carry on. I think I paused it too quickly. Now, before we start our next problem, I want to point out some few things so you won't get confused. So what we're doing is we're taking expanded logs and we are converting them back to non-expanded logs. I think that's what you call them, I guess. So for example, this log on top, the one I'm going to purposely go like that too, that is not, we want to, that's just an example of what we're doing to it. We're doing the reverse of this. So you see how this is not expanded? Well, we want to expand it. So what we do is, since it's dividing, the opposite thing to do is to subtract. Now, I wrote it under here. If you're dividing logs, you're subtracting in the expanded form. If you're multiplying logs, like say you had log 12 times 3 equals log of 5, 4, that would be adding. So for this, it's just as we're dividing, we're going to be doing log 5, 12 minus log 5, 3 equals log 5, 4. Now that is the expanded form. Now we can go deeper and we can eliminate the log 5 so we can do our little mathematics. But that's just an example of what we're doing, but in reverse order. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to enlarge it, if I could, if I wasn't a loser. Give me a moment while I fix these for you. Okay then, so for our second problem, we are taking this expanded form of log and we are converting it back to its original form. Now you can see that it's subtracting. So what do you do when you're subtracting? It's dividing. So since they all have the same logs, you can now put them together. Now since they all have the same logs, it's perfect. So what you do is take log of 8 on this side. This will be what you're dividing. So on this side, you would take log of 8, you would combine the two to be 1, so you get log of 8, and then divided by 48 over x, which are your single, right here, your single digits. And on this side, this stays the same, because there's nothing next to it, so you get log of 8 equals log of 8 of 4. Now since they have equivalent logs, we can cancel them out, like I said before. So we take the base, and we make it into an exponent itself. So we put the base down here, take the 8, we do a log of 8 as an exponent, take the 8, use log of 8 as an exponent, and you're going to cancel them out. So you're just left with your digits. And then you have 48 over x, and it goes 4 over 1 or 4. You're going to cross multiply, leaving with 4x equals 48, and x equals 12. Very simple and straight to the point. Now, let us move on to our next one.